Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today in this video let us see how to prepare egg green masala. It is going to be very quick, easy and mouth-watering recipe. So without wasting time, let's start the video and check out the recipe. Let's check the ingredients to make this recipe. So first, let us prepare masala. For that, take a mixer jar and I am going to add 2 medium size of onions, 1 whole garlic cloves, 2 inch of chopped ginger, 1 whole green chili, handful of coriander leaves and handful of mint leaves. Add little water and make a fine paste. As you can see here, our beautiful green masala is ready. Next, here I have 4 boiled eggs. I am going to lightly cut it around the eggs so that the masala should go inside the eggs. Now we will fry the eggs. For that, take a vessel or kadai, add little oil to it. Once the oil is hot, we will fry the eggs until they are golden brown in color. Once that's done, remove them from the oil and keep it aside. Now in the same kadai, I am going to add some spices and they are 3 cloves, 2 cardamom and 2 inch of cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 bay leaf and few cashew nuts. And saute them for few seconds. Now we need to add ground masala and fry the masala with the oil until its raw smell leaves. As you can see here, the masala fried really well and the color also changed. Now it is the time to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. And remember, the flame should be on medium to low flame. Now I am going to add little water to it and add the water as required. The thickness of the gravy is up to you. Now the gravy is almost ready. Now I am going to add salt for taste. Mix well and let it boil. Now I am going to add fried eggs to it. Mix well and close the lid and cook it for 2 minutes. And as you can see here, our beautiful and tasty, quick, easy egg green masala is ready to serve. Have this masala with paratha or chapatis. This is the best combination with paratha and chapatis. do try at home and do let me know how it was. If you like this recipe, please give a like, share with your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos. And don't forget to comment me in the comment section so that I'm getting motivation from you and I can make more videos. Thank you for watching my video.